Welcome to my channel Easy and Delicious Recipes. Today we will make homemade French fries. Slice one potato in fry shape. Keep the fries little bit thick so they get fried very nicely. Now the fries are ready. Let's see how to fry them. Take enough oil in the pan to fry the fries. Now check if the oil is hot by putting one slice of fries. When the oil is hot, put the remaining fries into the pan. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Now take some tissues in a bowl and put the fries into them so the tissues will soak the excess oil from the fries. Our fries are ready now. Put some salt to taste and mix it well. You can serve them with tomato ketchup. Thank you.